Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my new car with you guys. So I've been on the hunt for a new car for a while because I'm not really 100% happy with the BMW Z3, which I've already told you all that. I wanted to go to something a bit powerful like my Porsche 911 I had, the one that I had wrapped in purple and done a complete build on. A few other Porsches popped up and other kind of cars like Maserati 4200s and that, which I really want to try. I was on Facebook Marketplace and I randomly searched Porsche 911 just to see what ones were around, and this come up. Here it is. This is my new Porsche Boxster S. Oh yes. So like I said, I was looking for a 996 again. Then I saw this one on Marketplace. The picture of the car straight away just said buy me, and that doesn't happen with me much. I don't see a car that I gotta have just like that. And I think I said in my last video with the BMW Z3, I saw it and I was like, gotta get that, and it really was like that. I saw it, I fell in love with it. I messaged them straight away, is it possible to get a view in? And next day we went up, I put a deposit on it and I bought it. Before we take a good look at the car, this is a 3.2 flat six. It's the 6-speed manual. I would never touch automatic. Over to the 2.7, which would be a 5-speed gearbox. So this is the 6-speed gearbox. It's the Boxster S, which does mean it comes with a few little extras like the sports exhaust on the back there. There you go, give you a good look at that. So I realise it's not a 911, it's not an official 911, it is a Boxster, a entry level to owning a sports car. And I have looked at the Caymans, and I was on and off with a Cayman. I was thinking, you know, I would like one, but for the same price I can get another 996, and you know that I love the 996 because of the style of the front end. It was a poster car for me as a kid. But as soon as I saw this on Marketplace and saw these amazing 19-inch alloys, I just fell in love with it. And that's not even the best part. So it's in the cobalt blue, which I wanted, in the Cayman, which I couldn't find a Cayman in this colour. I was also looking for 996 in the lapis blue, but again, a little bit more money. Don't know why. The blue seems to be a bit of a rarer colour, but this cobalt blue is just as good, and it gets better because it's blue on blue on blue. Now I don't know how well the camera would pick this up, but the interior is all dark navy blue. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. You can probably make it out on the steering wheel. So we got a navy blue interior, a cobalt blue Porsche Boxster S, and then the navy blue roof to go with it. So it's blue on blue on blue, and that's what I'm going with. We got these lovely 19-inch alloys with the red calipers, and something I added, just the dust caps to match. We have the splitter on the front here. I don't know how well that's going to come up and if you can see it, but there you go. Adds a nice little bit of character. And the grills are silver, same with the side ones here. We have protector seal on the sills and on here, you can see. And then we have the lovely sport spoiler that can be raised up and down, and then we have the sports exhaust as well. We also have the silver roll bars with the little glass screen in the middle there. But yes, there she is. That is my new car. This is my summer toy. And the flies are really loving it. Look at that. It's almost a party. Go on, get lost. Go. There we go. But yeah, it is blue on blue on blue. I absolutely love the car. It's got 96,500 miles on the clock, which is quite a bit, but I'm okay with that. I don't think this car is going to go anywhere too soon. No problems mechanically, runs fine, 4 service history, which is always good. Paperwork, receipts, MOTs, all of that. I think I'm the 4th owner on this one. The original car, when it was bought like this, it came from Silverstone, the race circuit. There's a Porsche dealer inside the circuit, I believe, and that's where this one come from. Like I said, I got all the receipts to it as well, so it's always nice to have all the receipts. But I absolutely love it. It's just one of those cars. It doesn't happen very often, but when you see it, you're like, I gotta have it. And that happened with my little Fiat 500 Yugo and my Abarth 595 Competizione. There we have it. That is my new Porsche Boxster S. I will do a startup for you somewhere in this video. I'll probably pull it in. I've probably already done it, technically. But there she is. Oh my god, I am absolutely in love with this car. Like I said, I saw it, I had to have it. The car came from Derby. Like I said, I put a deposit on it. I come back because they've gone to put it through an MOT, and they put 2 new front tyres on it, which is fantastic. So if they're watching, thank you. So we've got 2 new front tyres. The rear tyres were done last year, they're perfect as well. Which some of my cars I buy, I got to change tyres on them straight away. But you can't go wrong. You know, it's a really good car. It sounds fantastic, and I will be doing videos with it very soon to show you all that. But there she is. More videos to come. I will give you a full detailed tour in a future video, but today is all about just showing you my new car. So that is my 2006 Porsche Boxster S, and I love it. And it's a manual. It's got to be a manual. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you very soon. I'll give you a full tour, more videos on it and the sound and everything. But bye for now.